Hello guys, welcome to another video tutorial on security, and this video will talk about XSS attacks or cross-site scripting. Okay, that's what it stands for. What this means, cross-site scripting, and this is a hacking technique, very common. It basically works like the SQL injection that we learned in the last video. And this, what it does, basically, it's whenever we see a comment section in YouTube or Facebook or whatever site you go, let's say, as I created here, let's say I put in here some, instead of normal text, Victor, hi, whatever, I put some, let's say B and Victor, and then I can close B. So this, what we'll do in HTML, as you all know, is put Victor in bold. So I've created an XSS.php file, okay, where I have the form in here. I will post the data in the text area to be run in this same file, in this script. So to check that I type if is set post submitted, okay, check if that it's the data is posted of the form. If that is submitted, echo out this thing, okay, which is the posted data. Okay, so let me save this. So if I click submit, this is going to be posted up in here. Okay, so if I click submit, the result is Victor in bold. Okay, so we are allowed to put HTML tags in here. Okay, and the result is going to be HTML whatever I typed in bold. Okay, so I can prevent using a function which is called strip tags. I can prevent that to happen if we don't want to anybody be able to use HTML tags to either put format their text like this H1 or a paragraph, or whatever you want to. So to prevent that, we can use these this function, which is called the strip tags. Okay, and what this function will do is strip out all the tags that are in the comment section. Okay, so let's save this and let's return to the site. Let's refresh. Oops. Let's refresh this and let's try the same thing again. So if I type Victor now and submit, now it's not bold anymore, okay, because we are using the function strip tags. So basically, if you don't want the users to be able to format their text, okay, you can use that function, and that function will also strip out any tags like script tags of JavaScript or PHP, okay. So it will prevent that any stupid guy or hacker tries to put or run some scripting language in your comments area. Okay. So what about if I have, let's say I have a connection to the MySQL database. So whenever I type, let's say I type Victor and type close Victor. And I want all this to be stored in the database. Okay, so whenever I try to output that value of that field, okay, or this same, which is this same value, okay, and in bold, I want that to be outputted in bold. Okay, so we have to let the user to type these kind of tags. So to do that, we will use a new function called HTML entities. Okay, and what this function does is let the user put anything he wants, okay, in here. But what it does, that function, it will transform all that or all those tags into HTML tags. So it will only work for HTML tags like this. So if we try, for example, type script, and here's script, and here alert, whatever, some JavaScript code, all this is going to be transformed into HTML and not recognized as JavaScript. Okay, so that JavaScript, it will not work, it will not run as a JavaScript. The same thing works for PHP. Okay, PHP, all the PHP string is going to be transformed into HTML or converted into HTML string, and not it will not be recognized, or it will not run as a PHP script. Okay, so this is pretty for me, it's the most used and common function to prevent some XSS attacks. So HTML entities, you can use that. Another thing you have to use is put some parameters in here, which are the ent compat and between double quotes UTF-8. Okay, basically these are parameters that recognizes the text as English text. Okay, so you can use all special characters in English language. So that's basically it. This is how you can this is the function that you can use if you want to output later on something from your database and you still want to use the tags, okay, the HTML tags. So that's pretty much it. This is how you can avoid some XSS into your MySQL database or website. And if you have any questions, just send me an email or a message, and that's it. See you guys later. Bye.